Hello, welcome to Love is Light, and this I've gotten to, I was behind. I've been doing the hayHouse card deck club, and I hadn't opened a single box. This is the first box they did, the initial box from August 2022, and I'm just now opening it. So, let's see. And if you want, well, you know what? Note from the editors. Well, I'm not going to read that. The later ones just put the list of what's in here. I'm actually going to move this off. So we've got the Animal Apothecary by Cara Elizabeth, 44 card oracle deck. We have Energy and Spirit Oracle by Sandra and Taylor, another 44 card oracle book. And something quite large. Well, this is a large box. And we have Power Thought cards, Keepsake edition, a 64 card deck with bonus cards and gifts. I'll open that one last. I'm going to set that aside, just off to the... And I'm going to put this aside. Oh, the other ones had pictures. Okay, so I'm going to put this aside. Sorry. And let's open the Animal Apothecary. This was actually fun. Now that I've opened them, they come out every quarter. I will be more, and then the ones I don't like, well, maybe if I get subscribers, I can have a giveaway. So the Animal Apothecary. Okay, does it have a quote on the lid? Yes! Medicine to fulfill your purpose. I think it's a requirement. Miss Hay doesn't allow anyone to put anything out. I think that's the back. There we go. There's Cara Elizabeth. And we've got a little booklet, about a little over 100 pages. Looks like 2 pages per card. And then some exercises and or ways you can use it. Okay. Ooh, these feel nice. Spread real nice. It's still kind of stick together. But it's the cardboard. You can shuffle it, but be careful. You don't want to drop it or get it, because yeah, it'll crease right away. Well, that's 44. So let's start with number 1. Action leads to success. Surrender and receive. Oh, I like the artwork here. Evolve into your complexities. It's cartoonish, but it doesn't have a feel. It looks more like doodles, like someone doodling stuff in class. Some of the ones I was looking at reminded me of other, like Dr. Seuss or Disney. These don't remind me of anyone else, so I focus just on the cards. So it does make me clip art, but you know, I understand that. I can't draw. If I wanted to make art, I'd have to clip art. Oh, immense growth. But you got that Michelangelo, the ratio, golden ratio. Attract through glow. I have to read them. It's like the little G's are messing me up. You are what you think. Really? Perception. ugly duckling. Gain your power. Roar. Shake, release, move on. Oh, these are kind of fun. I'm liking these cards. Magnetism through gratitude. Just trust. Just do it. Nurse the shadow. Metamorphosis. Destiny path. Quantum jump. Get out of your head. And put a rooster on your head, apparently. Hey, Pink Floyd again. Face your fears. Better than you can imagine. Victory. Unknown gift. 42. The answer to life, the universe, and everything. It's transformation. Sacred boundaries. Almost there. So the color I really like. The feel feels nice in my hands. It's not too heavy. And it's thinner, so it's easier to handle. That's the Animal Apothecary. Put that to there. Now, spirit energy. What do we think the quote will be? There's got to be a quote. It's mandatory. They don't let them publish unless they put a quote on the top of the box. Nature cards. Oh, got this one open. Yes, there it is. Your life is vibrating with unlimited potential. Manifest miracles with spirit every day. Actually, I like that quote, but do I need a quote on every card? Okay, that's the back. Energy and Spirit Oracle Guidebook by Sandra and Taylor. 120 plus pages. Looks 2 pages per card. Holds nice in the hand. You've got a good 30 pages for spreads, which is nice. Let's get to the cards. I do like this color, this lime lavender. The cards spread real nice. It's a little sticking, but not too bad. Again, the cardstock I come to expect. It's not too flexible. It is cardboard, so if you shuffle wrong, drop it, try to grab it with your legs or something, you will bend it. So this looks like you've got your digital photo collage type art here. And some of it more of a drawing, but I'm not sure if it was drawn. It looks like photo collage. Karmic lessons. Oh, that's an interesting teacher. Which one's a teacher? Mm-hmm. Golden Heart. Wisdom, Inspiration, Akashic Records. Archangel Raziel. So I'm going to go through these really quick. The artwork is that computer collage, you know, over putting different things on top of each other. It works really well. Shamanic Healer. I like how the colors are chosen to go with what the card's supposed to be representing. You've got your different angels. Journey guide, nice. Balance. Always the females in the formal dress. If I was a goddess, comfortable clothes. Not dressing for anybody else but me. Why can't our goddesses look like that? Hello. And I wouldn't wear a dress, ever. Guys can wear the dresses. I like dresses. Never did. But enough about me. So the colors are nice. It's very romantic, ethereal, which is, you know, it's energy and spirit oracle. It's a nice deck. Once you read up on the different cards, the meanings look thorough and nice. But for me, I'm not a big fan of the photo collage. Never have been. So it works. And I have decks that I like that are that. Okay, what is in this huge box? There's a little sticker here. But is this just... Ah, I see. Power Thought cards. Out of the situation, only good will come. I am safe, all is well. Package in a beautiful keepsake box. Okay, let's see what's in the beautiful keepsake box. Oh, we've got a little card holder. It's weighted, actually. That's nice. It won't go anywhere. What's this? Oh, because I need a mirror. But so it's a mirror. Life loves me, Louise. It's got her signature on it. Got a little pin. It's a little felt pen. I think that's it. The box could be useful. I'm going to put it as, actually I'm going to put this back in for now. And we've got thoughtful, powerful thought cards, which earlier we had another one that was, what was that one? It was self-esteem. Self-esteem cards, also by slightly, that deck wasn't, this one's nice. Oh, maybe it's that pen so you can write on it, because there's no directions. Maybe there's directions. Our outgrowth of affirmations. Things that she said to her clients. So they're coaster size. These are glossy. Again, the same. Be careful, you don't want to bend them. And I'm not going to go through. Well, I guess I could. But there's how many cards? 64, and there's sayings on both sides. So 128 sayings. I think this would be great. I'm going to just going really quick. In a group environment, or like at a party or something, or someplace where you can leave the cards out and somebody can just go and grab one and go, huh, okay, accept my uniqueness. I'm not one of those affirmations type people. My life is a mirror. This is true. My life works beautiful. I forgive myself. So it's a way of taking all these quotes and writing them in a way that looks like notes that have been written down. It's actually a really nice Christmas gift. I guess this last one is for you to write some yourself, because it's blank on both sides. So this was a nice little, well, little, no, it's huge. Open this up again. We have the powerful thoughts, the animal apothecary, and the energy spirit oracle card. So I'm just going to do this. There you go. You don't need me put it all back together again. So that was my very first card deck that I got last year, a year ago, in August of 2022. Just now got around to opening it. Oh, here, put this so you can read it. Life loves you. It's got cover on it. So this is a really thoughtful gift that I think I know who I'm going to give it to. Because it's not me, but just because it's not me doesn't mean I don't know the perfect person who can use this. But so there we go. If you have any thoughts, or if you know someone who would want this, then let me know in the comments. I'd love to know what you feel about these cards and the hayHouse brand in general. So thank you for joining me. That is it for my hayHouse card deck openings. I've got more new decks that I need to go through, and I'll continue to do those unboxings, and I will see you then. Bye.